subtraction, and the topic is word problem. Okay children, we are going to solve the problem, the sums related to the problems. Now children, first question is, last year a cycle factory produced 8,319 cycles. This year the production came down by 5,761 cycles. What is the production this year? Children, let me tell you that students think that it's very difficult to make the statement. Children, you can make the statement in any form. There are so many ways of writing the statement. The only thing, the sentence should be correct. And children, if you have any doubt in writing the statement, I'll give you one very easy clue, that before writing the statement, if you find the last line of the statement, that is, what is the production of this year? What is the production of? So what is? We will not write the word what. The question form we will not write in the statement. But what they are asking is the production. So we can start our question from that same word. That means we can write production of cycles. Production of cycles last year. Okay children, or you can simply write the statement from the question. A cycle factory produced cycle is equal to 8,319. Okay, now next question is, this year the production came down by. So you can write, as it is also you can write production of cycles. Either you can write the manner we have written this, production of cycles came down by by is equal to 5,761. Okay children, or you can write as it is given in the question, this year the production came down by. Okay, no matter how you write, the last line is the production of this year. So you can write production of this year, or production of cycles this year, or production of this year you can write is equal to. Now children, we can write these digits in the boxes given below, as there is less space. So we can write these 1 digit in the 1 box. Now children, I know that you will do the question, but the main thing where you face the problem children is that here we know that this is the chapter of subtraction. Okay, if we don't know that this is chapter of subtraction, then how you will come to know that this problem relates to subtraction only? Children, whenever question of statement comes, how you understood this is the main difficulty problem students are facing, that how we will come to know whether this question relates to plus or minus. Children, very easy way I am going to tell you today, that whatever numbers are given to you, you just cut short them to the smallest one. For example, you think production of cycle in last year is 8, and if the production of cycle came down by 5, okay, then what will be the production of this year? लास्ट ईयर 8 थे, अभी कम हो गए 5 हो गए, तो इस साल कितनी, अभी 5 कम हुए, लास्ट ईयर से 5 कम हुए, तो अभी इस साल कितनी प्रोडक्शन है? व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस ईयर? पहले 8 थी, 5 कम हो गई है, तो कितनी हुई? 3. नाउ यू विल चेक that how this 3 comes, whether you add these two numbers or you subtract these two numbers. From here you will come to know whether this is the question of plus or minus. Now this is the question of minus, so we will subtract it. 9 minus 1, 8. We will borrow borrow will knock 2 3 and 3 will give, it will become 2, it will become 11. 11 minus 6 5. Now 2 will borrow, it will become 7, it will become 2. 12 minus 7 5. 7 minus 5 2. I told you how to check, children. In the previous video also I will tell you again also that we will start counting the number after this subtrahend. After 1 we will start counting from 2 up to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way. Okay, after 6 means 7. We will start counting from 7 up to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 boxes are there. Understood, children? So now, don't forget to write the answer separately, children, with what they are asking. The question is, they are asking, what is the production this year? Production of what? Production of cycles. Children, make sure if you will not write this word cycles with the number, your 1 or 2 marks will be deducted. Okay, so this is the important part of word problem. Okay, children. Now our next question is, in year 2010 a poultry farm produced 6,134 eggs. In 2011 it produced 1,785 eggs, less than that in 2010. How many eggs were produced in 2011? First of all, children, we will think that whether this is the question of plus and minus. How you will think? I told you that you have to think. You can take small numbers. That is, if we will think that question is, how we'll write the statement? How many eggs were produced? So we can write the statement, eggs produced in 2010. Okay, eggs produced in 2010. That is, how many they have given? 6,134. Okay. Then in 2011 it produced 1,785 eggs, less than in 2010. Okay. So less eggs produced in 2011. Less by how many? Less they have given us 1,785. Now whether this is the question of plus or minus, children, how you will come to know? That means eggs produced in 2010 6. Less eggs produced in 2011. 2011 में कितने कम produced हुए? 2010 से 1 कम हुआ. पहले 6 थे. It was 6 in 2010 and 1 less produced in 2011. So how many produced in 2011? That is 5. So this is the question of minus. Okay, children. The last line will be eggs produced in 2011. Okay, children. Now you will subtract, and whatever answer, for example, answer is 4,349 eggs. Answer. Make sure, children, don't forget to write this. Very important. Our next question is, the population of a town is 9,123. If the number of males is 3,572, find the number of females in the town. Okay, children, as it is also we can write the statement, that is, the population of a town, no need to write the, we can simply write population of a town is equal to 9,123 then number of males. Okay children, you can think like this. If in your class there are 9 children, which is not possible. I am not taking example. I am just taking small number just to make you clear children about the concept. Only otherwise it's not possible what example I am taking. Okay. For example, in your class there are 9 students. Okay. And number of boys are 3. How many girls will be there? Number of males are 3. How many number of females will be there? 9 minus 3. 6. Okay, so that means this is the question of subtraction. And children, make sure don't forget to put the sign, which is very important in the statement sums. When you will subtract 12 minus 7, 5, 10 minus 5. Yes children, it's not compulsory to write here, but yes, for our understanding we are writing so that there should not be any confusion. If you will not write here, even then also it's okay if you understood without writing borrowing what you are borrowing. If you totally understood, then also no problem, but it's better if you write, then there will be no confusion. And we will write the answer separately. 5,551 what? Females answer. Okay children. Now our next question is, in an examination 8,383 candidates appeared. Okay. Out of these 4,090 candidates failed. How many candidates passed? Simple. In your class, for example, take the smaller, any number you can take. In your class there are 10 students and or you can say in any competition 10 students appeared. Okay, out of those 10, 4 failed. How many passed? 6. So this is the question of subtraction. Okay, and statement simple, you can write total candidates appeared. Children, you can write the statement in any form. I told you earlier also, any form, but the only thing that sentence should be clear. Okay, total candidates appeared, that is 8,380. Candidates passed, or you can write number of candidates passed, or you can write candidates passed, one and the same thing. Okay, that is 4,090. Now the question is these are candidates failed. The question is how many candidates passed. So the last line will be candidates passed. Okay. Now again very important, don't forget to write the sign. Then 18, here 2, 18 minus 9, 9. Here will be 2, 8 minus 4. So what will be the answer? 4,290 candidates answer. Okay children. Now our next question is question number 5, that is a factory produced 8,540 bulbs in year 2014. Out of them 3,479 bulbs were found defective. Defective means which were not in the good condition, they were not in the working condition. How many bulbs were good? Simple. We will write total bulbs produced. Okay. Total bulbs produced. Children, make sure if you have space here on this left hand side, you can simply subtract here also. You can write 1 number in 1 box and you can subtract. Okay. Now bulbs, defective bulbs, or you can write defective, or you can write number of bulbs defective. Defective bulbs, that is 3,479. Now question is, how many bulbs were good bulbs? Or you can write, you can also write, children, number of bulbs good. Okay, you will subtract, you will write the answer separately and you will get the answer. Okay children, I hope you understood children. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.